What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on earth. You know, this is your boy David, live from IFX. So, live from IFX studio, anyways. Please, people, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my video, on all of my social media pages. I really appreciate it. So, let's get down to business. This is GbpUsd USD. I drew this trend line last week, and I said, no. I drew this very present, this very one, and this very one. I drew it on Monday. Please. Yeah. So, and I said the market is going to go up and it's going to bounce somewhere here. What happened is that the market wants to bounce early now. It's not waiting to get to where I forecasted before it bounces, but it wants to bounce early. You get it? So what I'm saying is that this market is definitely going to hit this trend line and it's going to bounce up back. You get it? So, but should it break this trend line? It will still reverse. Please try to understand. Should it break that trend line, it will still reverse. But what I'm seeing in this place, that if it break this trend line, it ain't going far. It will still reverse and keep going up. So this is what I see. I don't know what you see, but please feel free to let me know what you see and what you feel that is going to happen in the market. So people, I'm sorry about that, just like we were saying, so I said the market is going to bounce somewhere here. And when it bounces, it's going back up. You got it? It's going up. It's an uptrending market, and the crusade is still up. Please don't forget that the crusade of this market is still up. So, some few candlestick is trying to show itself, prove itself. US dollar is trying to prove itself, but there's no clear momentum to this. There's no straightforward, clear momentum to that US dollar. Oh, it's going up now. Yeah. It's coming down now. US dollar is dominating the market and all this and this and that. Blah, 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 blah. But that is not there at the moment. US dollar. I don't know. I just believe the international exchange rate, the international, the Forex international buy and sell of US dollar is somehow low these days. Great Britain pound is catching up with it. Euro is catching up with it. Swiss francs is catching up with it. And US dollar, it's moving against some currencies, moving, to its own side in some other currencies, but against Euro, Great Britain pound, right now US dollar is not really doing well. It's not really giving the market what the market really wants. It's not really giving the market. It's not really the strength is not there. The capitalism is not really there. US dollar is just Great Britain pound. It's showing its own promising momentum. It's been climbing up for months. Great Britain pound's been climbing up for months. Just let us look at it here. Let us take a look at it from way back. It started climbing up from May 15th. When it got to June 11, US dollar proved itself and brought the market down. Tried to prove itself, just like always. Tried to prove itself. It came down till June 29th, but Great Britain pound pick it up back and it start going. US dollar trying to fight some kind of war, some kind of battle, some kind of war zone in this place. But Great Britain pound is know its thing. Great Britain pound pick it up from July 20th, and it went up and up. 21, 22 up, 23 up, 24th up, 25th, 24th up, 27th, 24th was on Friday, 27th was on Monday, up, 28th up, 29th up, 30th up, 31st US dollar is trying to form a reversal kind of pattern, but the solidification wasn't there. August 3rd, August 4th, US dollar is still trying to speak a language. August 5th, Great Britain pound speaks a language like, hey, I'm still going up, I'm still heading up, So August 7th, US dollar brought down the market till August 12th. You understand, US dollar tried to prove itself. But Great Britain pound, reversed the market. It took momentum of the market at August 13th, 2020. And it kept going up when it got to this very point, US dollar August 18th, Great Britain pound went up. And, the second day US dollar came down, they were like a kind of power struggle. Great Britain pound went up again, and the next day US dollar came down. It came bearish, and it hits another candlestick, and Great Britain pound picked it up from there. This was August 25th. Great Britain pound picked it up from there, and it went up, and it got to August 27th, and US dollar was trying to form a tie with Great Britain pound. It came up till September 1st. It got to September 2nd, US dollar pick up the pace again, try to prove itself. So US dollar start coming down September 3rd, September 4th, 5th. September 4th was on Friday. September 7th, Monday. September 8th, Tuesday. September 9th, Wednesday. September 10th, Thursday. US dollar brought it down till September 11th. So you see that US dollar brought it down till September 11th. You understand? So Great Britain pound pick it up again September 14th. September 11th was on Friday. Great Britain pound pick it up again September 14th, and it went up 15th, up 16th. 17 was still up, but was trying to shoot some kind of redirection. 18th, US dollar tried to come down. 19th, US dollar, 18th was on Friday. 21st, Monday, US dollar came down. 22nd, US dollar came down. But 23rd, US dollar start trying to form a tie that the market is about to reverse. 24th, 25th, 26th, 28th, 25th was on Friday. 28th, Great Britain pound pick it up straight up. 29th, 30th. US dollar was trying to fight, but Great Britain pound was picking it up, and all this pick up. There are many candlesticks that indicate that US dollar is not in charge. There are many candles that indicates that US dollar it's not at the strength of its momentum right now. You get it? So Great Britain pound was able to dominate the market, was able to speak for the market, was able to show us all that Great Britain pound is in charge of the market, which is a very, very good promising thing. Great Britain pound was able to speak some specific language, which is very, 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 very good. So I don't want to mention, there are many candlesticks that prove many things in this place. So just don't think I'm just saying because it's going up, because I draw a trend line, because it's doing this, so that's why it's doing like that. No, it's not like that. There are many things to it. So please try to understand there are many things to it. So like we were saying, it came up and up and up. Great Britain pound was able to keep leveling up the market. US dollar is trying to like speak a specific language, but Great Britain pound keep leveling up the market. November 13th, Great Britain pound pick up the pace again. Let me see. Great Britain pound picked up the pace November 3, and it came November 4th. US dollar tried to fight it. November 5th, Great Britain pound opened a clear candle that I am going up. Nothing is stopping me. You understand? Great Britain pound open a clear candle that it's going up, that nothing is stopping it. You understand? That was on September 5th. You get it? So September 6th, Great Britain pound keep going on the September 6th was on Friday, September 9th was on Monday. So Great Britain pound keep going. September 11th, US dollar tried to take control of the market again, and September 12th, US dollar tried to take control of the market again. September 13th, Great Britain pound picked it up. Get it? Great Britain pound picked it up. September 13th was on Friday. September 16th, Great Britain pound still go. The crusade keep going. Great Britain pound keep leading its crusade. 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 23, and the 20 is Friday. On the 23rd, on the 23rd, Great Britain pound keep going. Man, right now, today's Friday. Yesterday, Thursday, US dollar is trying to prove the market will reverse, which I've drilled before. I drilled this on Monday. You get it? I drew this all this on Monday. Should you watch my past video? So right now, US dollar is trying to do exactly as we forecasted, as I forecasted, as me and my team forecasted. US dollar is trying to do exactly that. So US dollar is trying to reverse the market, but it ain't going long because it's still an uptrend market. You understand? US dollar will keep fighting. I said it to get to this. Me and my team said it to get to this place, and it will bounce, and it will reverse, and it will keep going up. But right now US dollar is trying to come down, but it's reversing early. So it's not this US dollar bearish candle of a thing. It's not that promising, please. Just take note of that. Always take note of that. So it's not that promising. So people, this is what I could say about Great Britain pound USD this morning. Please, I would really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button on all of my social media pages, and please, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. I really appreciate it. So I'm going for now. We'll be analyzing this market on Saturday again, or Sunday. I'll be analyzing this market and telling you what I see that will open next. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Have a good one.